should have been recording this from the jump, but we got here to the crib to pick it up. Had to jump it. I need another jump and carry. Anybody want to hook a sister up? I need a jump and carry. All right, hold on, y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna unhook those. And I'll hook them from here. Alright. But yeah, we had to jump it because they sold me the place I went to for my battery. They sold me a piece of crap battery, so the battery doesn't stay charged, which sucks. So it has to be jumped to get started every time. It's not cool. And the other battery charger that I had didn't work really anymore like that. Not the way that I wanted it to. Oh shit, hold on. My bad, y'all. Let me make sure that's over there. My bad, let me make sure that's over there. Yeah, I know I need to swap that out. Swap my main tag out. But hey, don't even have a name yet, so a real name. If y'all want to send me a jump and carry, I can let y'all know where y'all can send it at. I'd really greatly appreciate it if somebody will hook me up. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna get this car home. If you're not subscribed, again, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. And I'll catch y'all in a little bit once we get it home. Probably record some more in the morning of it, so just stay tuned. So it just cut off. That's not cool at all. Ouch. Look, man. I just hurt my finger. Dang. Missing the game. Missing the game for this. Missing the game for this. Just enjoy watching Tom Brady get his ass busted, man. Alright, y'all, we're gonna try to get this thing jumped again, and so again, let's try this again. I'll see y'all in a bit. Yeah, y'all see it right there. It cut off, y'all, and then as soon as I hooked the jumper cables up to it, I didn't even hook them up to my truck. I just connected the cables just to the Tiburon, that's it, and then it just cut, the car started right back up. Like, I don't know, that's crazy. But y'all see at night how the light is just messed up like that, like it's just bright. I'm sorry if this is kind of bad right here in the video. Hold on, I got the phone on the stand. Y'all see on the right tail light how the light's just orange and bright like that? Yeah, it's kind of messed up. Y'all, look what I'm saying. It keeps cutting off, but it starts again without being connected to anything. That's insane, yo. That was so dope. Luckily, the headlight is not too janky looking. Y'all see the tail light, the bright orange. See that? It actually sounds pretty good. It does got some sound to it. Alright, y'all, I gotta get out the street. I'm in the middle of the street because it cut off right here. So. Alright, y'all, so this is a Tiburon. We do have it back home. I did get some wrap for it that I might do to it. It's supposed to be here today, so like I don't know, I might do something with the tires, with the rims, see where it's peeling, take the wipers off and probably spray them. It's still got to be washed. Still looks gross and dirty. Rain didn't even wash that off. Like, yeah, we really gotta wash this thing. It really needs a good wash. You see the back tire looks pretty bad too. It's peeled. You can see all the yellowing. So probably gonna do that one too. Might just spray him a matchy color or something. Then, you know, the sun, the roof, I sanded that down some. Gonna paint that. And you see, I wish when the previous owner had this, I wish he would have covered it up, kept it covered up with a car cover, because then it wouldn't have got sun faded on the paint. But sitting in the sun for all that time, just sitting, you can see where the bumper got sun faded. It just looks dry. There's no clear coat on it anymore. You can see where the spoiler got sun faded, or the fin, shark fin, shark tail, whale fin, whatever you want to call it. I always say this thing look like a shark or a whale. The gas tank, you see that got sun faded as well. You can really see. And then it's like a little scrape right there, little scratches, a little ding right there. And then it's on this part of the car, paint, you can see where the paint is fading some too, sun fade. And then the wiper really needs to be replaced, but I'm just gonna take it off and probably spray the arm, because we may be selling this. So, you know, over there on Awesome Auctions, auctioning it off. So if you're not subscribed to me and my husband channel, really, you're gonna be like the business channel, go subscribe. The link is down below in the description. But this car's really grown on me. This wasn't a car that I wanted, but I went and got this car because I saw it just sitting there in the driveway of this guy's house, which actually I thought it was abandoned, because nobody's ever at that house. It was just always this car and that trailer that was sitting over there. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, go ahead and watch it. But I thought this thing was abandoned. Really, it was abandoned, because he just left it and he don't even live in the house. And there's some peeling around the door handle where the clear coat is coming off too. So and then we'll take a look inside. Y'all remember I vacuumed it out and everything before. I haven't got to wipe anything down yet. It's just been sitting here. I did save its life though, y'all. So, because it would still, if I did not buy that car, this car would be still, or buy this car would still be sitting in this driveway, broken down, not running. So I saved his life. So the car can thank me for that. It still had, like, you know, smells, need to like really wipe down in here and stuff from sitting. Ooh, seeing it's dusty too. Ooh. You haven't seen my video where you will see the inside, how dirty it was on the inside. If you haven't seen that video, go back and watch that video as well. But this thing was so filthy inside, and I really cleaned it up pretty good as far as vacuuming and everything. So now I guess I'm gonna try to make it look a little bit more pretty on the exterior, and I guess it'll be off to its new owner. Let me grab the key. Alright y'all, so this is the wrap that I got. It's not the exact same color. You can see it's not the exact same blue, but this is more of royal blue. But like, I mean, what the hell? But on the roof, I mean, not like you're gonna really notice it unless you really trying to, you know what I mean, stare down the paint and stuff. Just like temporarily, just to cover this right now. Or I'll just get some matching paint spray and just match it. But they get this instead to match it. But this part, you know what I mean, I don't know if I'd put any there because it's on the side. But really, I guess basically to put it on the spoiler and maybe the bumper, but I don't even think I have enough. No, I might do the bumper, like probably just one row, like a good long sheet. But that'd have to be done differently because this angle, this piece is like, this would be like one piece, and then one piece here, and then another here, since this is a different shape than this. But the bump. All right, y'all. So I was using my new camera. Yes, still excited about my new camera. All right, let's turn the flash up. All right, so y'all. So yeah, I was using my new camera and the battery just died because, you know, I was using it all night. But the bumper would probably, okay, so that's better, the zoom out. I don't know why this thing automatically starts to zoom in, but this thing is rough, so it needs to be sanded down really good and then painted. So probably have to sand it down, but I don't know how it would feel if I put the wrap on. I don't think there's like no lumps or anything. It's just smooth and everything. So, you know, just have to, you know, put it over this. And why does it look like this guy just shoved the tips on? You can see the exhaust. I don't like how that looks. I don't think this part should be in there. Like, weird. But this part, this is crazy. But y'all see how unique the bumper is shaped, right? Like, look at this little piece down here. But all this still has this color because it wasn't really in the sun. Oh, there goes my glove. That just scared me. I thought a big ass bird was about to land on me. Okay, so jeez. But you know, it's just completely dry looking up here, no paint. Then it's like all nice and smooth and pretty down here. But see, if I were to keep it, you know, I would obviously maybe, you know, go to Mako or something and get a paint. I can't find my paint gun, so I can't do it, because I could just tape this, pop this up, tape off all of this, and tape off, well no, this needs to be done too, but and just tape off the glass and, you know, this come off, and just paint this whole part, and this obviously tape off back here, and just do this bumper. I think this would look good if these were black. Looks like he actually tried to do it like that because they, you know, look so silvery, but they need to clean up. Like if these things were black, it would look good. The lights are cool, but they would probably look good if these were black lights. Like black out the lights and everything. But I don't know, you guys. What do y'all think? Y'all think I should use this wrap? It's like a, not, you know, it's like a carbon fiber design. It's a blue, like carbon fiber type design. It would really look good if we did that silver inside the car, like if you did the interior, you know what I mean? Like blue here, and then blue around here, like blue trim, and then, oh, my heart's kind of my face. Oh, well, not so much there, but you can keep the lettering, but all of the trim pieces blue, and over there on the door, blue. That would look good. I think that would look really good. So what do y'all think? Y'all think I should go ahead and try the wrap on there? Think I should use this blue wrap on here to see what it looks like? I mean, obviously I have to clean the car. If I do anything, I'll have this relocated to my warehouse inside and do it where it's warmer. It's cold as heck out here right now. But like blue here, and then the blue on the bumper. It's actually still like shiny here. Like it's like mostly just faded in the back, which is weird because you think that's like out of the sun, but apparently not. But and then blue, the blue up here on the roof. But I just love how that sticks out in the, you know, the side skirts. But I don't know, guys, what do y'all think? The blue, we did this right here. Because when you look at it, it almost like it looks like it match. I don't think you're really going to tell the difference. It's not like a royal blue. Maybe I should have looked up, because this is kind of like a royal blue color. You know, royal blue right here. And that's kind of like a, no, kind of like a darkish blue, I guess. So I don't know, maybe we just test it out and put it on the spoiler just to see how it looks. Just wash the spoiler off and then, you know, put it on there. Maybe I just unscrew the whole thing, take this off, and just go ahead and start doing it. But I'd have to get some caps to put, because I'm sure there's a hole, you know, because you have to take the screws out to cap it, make sure no water gets in here when it rains or something. But if I move it to my warehouse, then I can just take the whole thing off and I don't have to worry about it. You see where some of it started here. The whole entire car probably just could use a whole fresh paint, a whole, you know, new thing. I was like, hold up, I thought I saw something. Yeah, it's fading right here too. But the whole car could use a whole new, you know, fresh paint job. So yeah, y'all, this is the wrap. So let me know what y'all think. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. If I should do the wrap or I shouldn't do the wrap on here. Like, do you think it match? And probably the gas tank too. Would do something around here. Probably like taking the screw, taking this whole piece off, just unscrew it, and then put it over, and then push the holes through for the screws to go back in. So we got 7 screws all the way around, and have to use an Allen key, because you can see where it's painting, like where it's peeling like horribly, you know. No, I was like, it had to be blue, but I think he got at one point this thing had a custom paint job or something, because you see the flakes in it. It got the flakes, the little sparklies in there, just like this. This is dirty, but you see the, yeah, that's really pretty. So all right, you guys, well, that's gonna be the end of this video for now. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel.